Hello. This is nothing to do with building today. I just thought I'd capture a school run just for my own this is hopefully, because I've been thinking this week, it'd be nice to have things to look back on. And this was probably, I can't get the bloody, that's it. Okay, Molly and Frankie, you sing your song if you want to. Go. Louder though, you got to say it loud so we can hear it, alright?
Flapping out like a butterfly, stinging out like a stripy bee. 5 foot a quiety, 5 foot a liety. You held me down, but I got up. Alright, 'cause I had enough. You hear my voice, you hear it loud. Get ready, 'cause I shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Alright, 'cause I had enough. You hear my voice, you hear it loud. I got beat, I am a tie, I'm a fire. Dancing with a funk, yeah, 'cause I am a champion. You're gonna hear me roar louder than a lion, 'cause I am a champion. And you're gonna hear me roar, flapping out like a butterfly, sing like a stripy bee. 5 foot a quiety, 5 foot a liety. You helped me down, but I got up. Alright, 'cause I had enough. You hear my voice, you hear it loud. Alright, 'cause I shake the ground. You helped me down, but I got up. Alright, 'cause I had enough. You hear my voice, you hear it loud. I got the eye, I'm a tie, I'm a fire. Dancing through a fire, 'cause I am a champion.
Go on, idiots.
And you're gonna
Not you girls, that bloke in front. Yeah, that's very good. That's
I got the eye, I'm a tie, I'm a fire. Dancing through a fire, 'cause I am a champion. And you're gonna hear me roar.
yeah, that's very good. Well done. Did you like it singing that? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Are you looking forward to your day at school?
Yes.
Yes?
We're just going down the hill to school.
Shall I drive really fast, girls?
No.
Yeah. Ram. What do you reckon, Frankie?
Beat the horn. Dad, you might get in trouble.
If I keep doing it, I will, but I can beep it occasionally, you know. Like, I can beep it now if I want, can I? But I won't, no. What does that sign mean?
Alright. Alright.
That's it. Well done. Good, isn't it? Nice day, loves. Whoops. Whoa. Beep, beep. Frankie, you pressed the horn in a lot today, didn't you? Hmm?
Yeah, I understand.
It's good fun, isn't it? There's a lollipop lady. Wave to the lollipop lady. There she is. Wave to the lollipop lady, girls. Oh, there's lots of cars down here today. Yeah, there's a lost cat, Frankie. So they're putting posters up everywhere. Oh, we got a space today. Oh, goody. Oh, I forgot the camera's on. Say goodbye, girls.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.